Greetings, everyone. Welcome to 2K Sports and another exciting edition of NBA Ball. I'm Brian Anderson, here with Grant Hill, Steve Smith, and Allie LaForce. It's the Philadelphia 76ers taking on the Detroit Pistons. Pass to Ivy. Now Cunningham. Inside. And a foul called on the way up. So he'll take two from the free throw line.
First personal foul.
Tenacious play from Stewart inside, putting up the shot all while being fouled.
Stewart hits them both. Here's Bibby. Outside Irving. The 15-footer is good.
I mean, what do you expect when you give him the clear look? That's just too easy.
And early on, if you're him, you just want to see the ball go through the net and get into some kind of rhythm.
Now here's Bagley. Pass to Stewart. Oh, got a piece of it. Shot clock at 6. Back to Bagley. And the layup is good off the glass.
I like how Isaiah Stewart found a teammate there. Impressive passing for a big.
And out of bounds, Detroit will have it. We played just over a minute here in the first. Now here's Cunningham. Out left to the wing. Outside Bogdanovich. Here's Ivy. Powered down after the assist led him to the lane.
One sign of a great playmaker, hitting his man in stride.
Here's Bibby. Offline with a three. A little over a minute and a half into this first quarter. Here's Ivy. Down low. Oh, deflected. It's 2-on-1. Here's Irving. Finished off the break. Irving's got his second basket.
And that nice steal was able to get their break going in a hurry.
You know what? We see this time and time again. Turnovers lead to a break and then points at the other end.
Pass to Ivy. Here's Stewart. 2 on the clock. Well, there's the shot clock violation. So they'll turn it over.
Sixers ball.
Well, if you're just tuning in, we've played about 2.5 minutes here in the first. Pass to Collins. The three is up. Nice start for him, sinking his first shot.
He's consistent from out there, especially when you give him that kind of room.
Cunningham with the ball. Now here's Bogdanovich. Tried to answer back, but that three is off the mark. To the middle. Here's Collins. And no good. The Pistons go the other way with it. Back to Cunningham. One-handed slam right there.
Excellent footwork and handles, getting Cunningham right around the defender.
Right side, Bogdanovich. To the paint. Here's Stewart. And finished off by Stewart.
What a two-way play. Just tremendous.
Yeah, the steal was slick. The slam topped it off.
Turning defense into offense. Every coach talks about it. Perfect example right there.
The Sixers again can't hit. The Pistons leading. Outside Bagley. Cunningham outside. Out of bounds. It'll be Philadelphia's ball.
Substitution on the floor.
Here's Free. Collins outside. Lets the three fly. The rebound by Bogdanovich.
Yeah, and the defense has really got to tighten up on him. I mean, he's just too dangerous from the three-point line.
Pass to Mix. To the inside. Ooh, rejected by Noel. And so it looks like it'll be Philadelphia ball.
Substitution on the floor.
23 seconds left in the first. There's the screen. Dunleavy. Off target from three-point range. To the paint. Shot's good by Noel.
When they get their opportunity to punch it inside, they don't hesitate.
Here's Dunleavy. Excellent D there from Noel. And so the first quarter is in the books. Pistons ahead. They lead by 5. And we'll be back shortly for the start of the second quarter.
76ers. 7.
And thanks again for tuning in. If you're just joining us, we played through one quarter of action so far. And a moment here to take a look at the scoring breakdown for Detroit.
Establishing a paint presence early in the game, it really helps and pays big dividends down the line because it frees up your perimeter.
And from the sideline, let's catch up with Allie.
Well, guys, the Pistons focusing on improving their scoring. Coach Dwayne Casey said, quote, "This is an offensive league. In today's game, you've got to be able to shoot the three because you can't make enough twos to win. It's tough to defend the three, so you've got to keep that scoreboard moving." Back to you.
Floor spacing at a premium, Allie. Thank you.
And B.A., he takes his rebounding so seriously.
This dude is such a grinder. His teammates appreciate the effort. Just goes all out on the glass.
You know, this is one of his specialties, keeping plays alive, creating second chance opportunities.
Now Philadelphia with it. It's a 10-point game. Pass to Catchings. Oh, and he got fouled on his way up. He'll head to the line to shoot 2. It's going to go on Nerlens Noel. That one misses. The 76ers making a switch here. That one misses. Second quarter of basketball, about a minute played so far. Now Hayes. Well, quiet so far offensively, searching for his first points of the game. They get it again. Out to Bagley. He shoots a 3. Fires in the triple.
Watching Hayes, he keeps his eyes up, always looking for a better shot, either for himself or his teammates. You know, he was looking for revenge, trying to match shots from distance.
Bogdanovich on the wing. Down low. Here's Noel. And Noel hammers it down.
Oh, nice one-handed jam there, B.A.
Hey, little exclamation point. Timeout called, the 76ers. Second quarter basketball, just over a minute and a half played so far. Pass to Irving. Will it go? Rebound Detroit.
They are really struggling to stop this run.
All you see is a lot of frustration. Someone needs to step up and make a play to turn this thing around.
And Noel hammers it down.
And it hasn't just been their stellar offense. Their defense has been effective as well.
Yes, when it's going good, it feels easy. These are the nights you relish, but they're tough to replicate.
And we're going to have a jump ball. Pass to Bogdanovich. Quarter two and just under 2.5 minutes gone by. Outside Burks. Just 5 on the clock. Outside Bogdanovich. Lets it fly. That one a little long.
The defense was begging him to take that shot, and he took the bait, but you can't blame him.
On the wing, Irving. And they doubled up Irving. Pass to McGinnis. Here's Dawkins. And the ball out.